Hi everybody, I'm Jessie. Happy Mother's Day! I'm so glad you guys could join me today for this really fun Mother's Day project. So today I want to show you how to make a really cool biodegradable flower bomb. This flower bomb is so cool and so awesome, and it's a great gift that you can give to anybody in your life. First thing we're going to need is we are going to need a jar or a bowl that is waterproof and some construction paper. What you're going to do is take your construction paper and you're going to rip it into roughly about a 1 to 1.5 inch squares. If it's bigger, that's fine. Smaller, even better. Go ahead, rip up your construction paper and put it in your jar. Okay, once your construction paper is all ripped up, go ahead and take your water and you're gonna fill your jar until all of your paper is completely covered. Okay, the paper needs to soak for about 20 minutes, so go ahead and set it off to the side. All right, once your paper has been completely soaked for the 20 minutes, you're gonna notice that it is really floppy. And that's what you want, okay? Before we take the water out of the cup, we need to get our food processor ready. Please, please, please have an adult help you with this part because the blades on the food processor are extremely sharp. Go ahead, remove the cap, take your paper out of your water and put it in. Take a little bit of your leftover water and just dribble it in. Lock your lid down and go ahead and start processing. All right, you're gonna wanna keep running your processor until your paper is at a very tiny consistency. They don't have to be 100% completely broken down. If you have a few larger pieces in, that's fine. But before we get our wet paper out, let's go ahead and open up our flower seeds. You can use any type of flower seeds that you like. Preference, totally up to you. Marigold seeds are really adaptable in this area, so that's why I'm using marigold seeds. So go ahead, open them up and set them off to the side. Your hands are gonna be wet when we pull out the paper, and you don't want the seeds to get too wet in your hand yet. Use a tray or a plate to help contain the mess, and make sure an adult helps you remove the blade from your processor before you stick your hand in. Also, make sure it's unplugged. That way, there's no chance of you getting hurt. All right, if your paper is super wet, go ahead, take it in your hand, going over your cup, and you can just squeeze a little bit of the water out. You don't have to squeeze all of it out because we want our seeds to stick. Dry your hands as best as you can, and then pour your seeds into one of your hands. Next, grab your pulp with your other hand, and what we're gonna do is we are going to mix and mold this into a ball all together. All right, go ahead, once you've got all your seeds nice and mixed into your pulp, get it into the ball, and then just set it on your tray or plate to dry. You're gonna wanna let this dry probably a good 24 to 36 hours. Once your flower bomb is all dry, it's ready to gift. It's really cool because it's biodegradable, which means once you put it into a flower pot or a flower bed, you can go ahead and leave it. The paper is gonna dissolve as it rains or as it gets watered, and it's gonna seep into the ground. The flowers will start growing and it's gonna look amazing. I hope you guys had fun with this project, and I can't wait to see the amazing flower bombs you guys create. So happy Mother's Day. Bye.